Hey guys, today we have a limited edition of Oppo R17 and R17 Pro. Let's start with unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe. Starting with the vivid design of the R17 and R17 Pro New Year editions, the body is entirely red with a premium 18K gold finish around the border of the rear cameras. The company collaborated with the Spanish artist Ignacio Monreal for the design of these editions. The back panel of the R17 and R17 Pro New Year editions also features a golden pig at the bottom that is a symbol of wealth and wish. The back panel has a gradient effect with red and warm gold. Going by the Chinese New Year design of both the phones, we are quite sure that Oppo will keep them limited to China market only. Oppo R17, R17 Pro New Year editions integrated with Hyper Boost technology. For more information, check description below. Oppo R17, R17 Pro New Year Edition specifications, features. All the specifications remain the same for the R17 and R17 Pro. The R17 comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display at 1080x2280 pixels resolution. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 chipset powers it. The phone has 16MP plus 5MP dual rear cameras paired with an LED flash along with a 25MP selfie snapper. A 3,500 mAh battery backs the device. The Oppo R17 Pro features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with 1080x2340 pixels resolution. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor powers the phone. There is a triple camera setup on the rear with a 12MP primary sensor, a 20MP secondary sensor, and a ToF 3D camera sensor. On the front, there is a 25MP selfie snapper. A 3,700 mAh completes the package with support for 10V/5A. 50 watts, Super VOOC flash charge fast charging, which is touted to deliver up to 40% charge in 10 minutes. It also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now let's talk of its pricing. The Oppo R17 New Year Edition with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage is launched at 2,799 Chinese yuan. Approximately Indian rupees 29,060, and Oppo R17 Pro New Year Edition with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage is launched at 4,299 Chinese yuan, approximately Indian rupees 44,634. That's all guys, thanks for watching and subscribe.